Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Meta Pixel for Facebook affiliate conversions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect with Meta Pixel for Facebook affiliate conversions, start by logging into your Facebook account. Navigate to your Facebook Business Manager. Select Events Manager from the menu options. Click on Pixels to access your pixel settings. If you haven't created a pixel yet, click on the Add button to create a new pixel. Follow the prompts to name your pixel and enter the website URL where you plan to use it. Once your pixel is created, you'll see a unique pixel ID. Copy this pixel ID for future use. Next, head to your website's backend. If you are using a CMS like WordPress, install a plugin designed for integrating MetaPixel. For manual integration, access your website's code. Locate the header section of your HTML file. Paste the MetaPixel base code before the closing /head tag. If you're tracking specific events, like purchases or signups, you'll need to add event codes. Refer to the MetaPixel Events Setup tool for guidance on configuring these events. Once the code is added, save your changes and publish them live. To verify the installation, use the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension. Navigate to your website and check if the pixel is firing correctly. If everything is set up, return to your Events Manager in Facebook. Here, check for any recorded events and ensure they align with your affiliate conversion goals. Set up custom conversions if you want to track specific actions more closely. To do this, click on Custom Conversions and follow the steps to define your conversion events based on URL or event types. When finished, monitor your pixel analytics regularly to assess performance. Make adjustments as needed based on the data you collect. This will help refine your strategies for improving Facebook affiliate conversions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.